In today's class, we will solve a few problem sums based on lines and angles. In the first sum, what we can see is that if L1 and L2, these two straight lines are parallel to each other, then what is the value of angle X? Now, what we come to know from the statement is that L1 and L2, these two lines are parallel to each other, and this line is the transversal. So this angle which is given as 37 degree and this angle, they are corresponding angles, right? That means the measure of this angle will be also 37 degree. And now this angle and this angle, they are opposite angles. So this will be also 37 degree. And these three angles which is marked as 58 degree and then this 37 that we have obtained and this X, these three actually form a linear pair. So what we can say is that 58 degree plus 37 degree plus X degree, that will summation of these three angles will be 180 degree. That means X degree will be normal linear equation in one variable. So 180 degree minus 58 plus 37 will be 95 degree. So value of X will be 85. Now the next one, where we can see in this figure L1 and L2, these two lines are parallel, and L3 and L4, these two lines are also parallel to each other. Then what is Y in terms of X? Now in the figure, what we can see is this angle is y degree, this angle is also y degree. So this is actually angle bisector, and the total angle is 2y degree, and this angle will be also 2y degree as they are opposite angles, right? Now L1 and L2 are parallel to each other, and this L3, this line is actually a transversal. So if this angle is x degree, now what we can see is or say is that this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. So this will be also x degree. And since L3 and L4, these two lines are also parallel, so the interior angles x degree and 2y degree, they will form the summation of these two angles will be 180 degree. And for that L2 was the transversal. Now if we keep y on left side, then it will be 2y degree will be 180 degree minus x. So y degree will be 180 by 2 means 90 degree minus x degree divided by 2, and that's what was expected from us. What is y in terms of x? Now the next one, in figure, if AB means this line and HF means this line, they are parallel to each other, and DE means this line and FG means this line, they are also parallel to each other. Then what is the measure of angle FDE? Means FDE, so this angle. Now this is very easy, as we can see here that AB and HF, these two lines are parallel to each other, and this line CFD, this is a transversal. So this angle which is given as 28 degree and this angle, these two are corresponding angles. So the measure of this angle will be also 28 degree. And if we take this angle as x, f angle FDE, then these three angles actually form a linear pair. So what we can say is that summation of these three angles will be 180 degree. So x degree will be then very easy, it will be 180 degree minus 72 plus 28, this will be 100. So 180 minus 100 degree, so it will be 80 degree. Now the next one, where it is given that AB is parallel to CD, then what is the measure of angle X? Now for this figure, for this sum, we have to do a little bit construction. Now if we do this development, if we develop this line towards left and if we develop this line towards up, then what we can say is that this angle which is 132 and this angle, these two will actually form a linear pair. That means this angle will be how much? If that we denote as y degree, then y will be what? This total angle is 180 minus 132, so this will be 48. Now again this angle, that angle if we mark as z, and this angle which is given as 148, summation of these two angles will be again 180 degree. This again they form a linear pair. So from here the z degree means the angle measure of that angle will be how much? It will be 180 degree minus 148. This will be 32 degree. Now this if we mark as EAEF, then this is a triangle, and we know as per the property of a triangle that summation of the three interior angles of a triangle, of any triangle, that summation is 180 degree. And we know the values, the measures of two angles, then third angle that will be very easy to find out, and that angle if we mark as AFE, then that angle will be how much? 180 degree is the total angle, summation of three angles, and two angles already we have found out, and that is 48 degree and 32 degree, and summation of these two will be 80 degree. So 180 minus 80, that will be 100 degree. So angle AFE, this measure is 100 degree. And now in the problem statement it is given that AB is parallel to CD, and this is the transversal. So if these two are parallel, then this angle which we have just found out, just obtained, and this angle, these two will be corresponding angles. So if the measure of this angle is 100 degree, then measure of this angle will be also 100 degree. Now the next one. Here in this figure it is given that L is parallel to M. Then what is the measure of angle X? Now since L and M, these two are parallel to each other, and this is the transversal, and this angle is given which is 65 degree. So this angle will be also 65 degree, as these two angles are alternate angles with respect to these two parallel lines. So if this is 65 degree, again this is a triangle. If we mark that as ABC, then in that triangle the angle ACB is known, which is 65 degree. Angle ABC is also known, that is 40 degree. So two angles are known, then easily we can find the third angle. And this is a property of a triangle, that exterior angle, the value of the exterior angle of a triangle will be equal to the summation of two opposite interior angles. So if that is 40 degree and 65 degree, their summation will be 105 degree. So the value of X will be 105 degree, but directly we will not apply that property of a triangle. So what we can do is that this angle X and this angle which we need to find, the third angle of that triangle, these two angles will form a linear pair. So the third angle of the triangle whose value we don't know, plus angle X, that value is 180 degree. So angle CAB, then we can say that will be 180 degree minus X, right? And the three interior angles of this triangle ABC, summation of those three angles will be 180 degrees. So one angle is 180 degree minus X, the second angle is 65 degree that we have obtained, and the third angle is 40 degree which is given, and the summation is again 180 degrees. So these two are equal, so they will cancel each other. And now if we take X on the other side, then X will be how much? 65 plus 40, then again it will be 105 degree. So that's what we obtained when we applied the property of triangle directly. So in today's class, we have solved a few problem sums based on lines and angles, and in the next class also we will be solving a few more problem sums based on the same concept. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.